Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to apply Wise cards. So first of all, create yourselves an account, and then after that you will see exactly this page. Then what we're going to do is we select right here cards, and then we can click here on order a new card or your debit card order, and it's saying right here you haven't finished ordering this card yet because I already created this order. But let's say we want to create a new one. We click right here on order new account, new card. Then we do right here free because we want the digital one. If you want the physical one, you need to pay €7 and then they send it to your home. But I want the digital one right now, for example. So we click on digital, select right here if you want to use the FIFA World Cup edition or the signature. So let's do right here, signature, this one. And then you can customize your card. So we do this one. Then your card is ready. So view card, and there we go. This is now our card and we can use this card. If you want to create yourselves an account on Wise, please click on the link in my bio where I will help you out with creating an account, because from there you can directly start with creating yourselves an account. If you don't have any idea how to do that, I also created a video how to create an account on Wise where I showed you exactly what you need to do. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.